so you want some help for that. Roger. How are you? Good morning, you know, you think already. Yeah, upon the Monday man look tired. 7 o'clock in the morning. Get ready for the gym. That's how we wait for Jamie if you don't eat breakfast, drop him off at school. The mother there, I go run him through some test question for him, French test, because I don't know it's a French school English, you know. I'll learn the French and English.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, GN.
Good job. What?
O O I.
E.
ILLE.
O.
ON.
Oh.
EAU.
Hey. You got this?
OIN.
Yeah.
K.
Yeah.
Choky.
Yeah.
QU.
What?
OI.
Yeah. Oh.
And go check out Jameer channel. He just record this by himself, edit it by himself, and post it up on his channel.
Pepperoni, pineapple. There is cheese. There's Parmesan cheese. There's the dough. And
Jam. Eat.
So they're out here in this glorious morning. Face some shine. I wait for Jameer bus. Out here I wait for Jameer bus, but look at the bus missed me by a minute. I don't know boy, I don't see it yet. And Jameer they out there. I want to tell you what? Yeah. They out there going to wait for the bus. You know what I say?
you have to have a policeman.
Miss the bus, you know? Like me have to go drive and go to school because you don't see the bus. Look, come on. Alright. Just let me do like you and Brookie. Think easy. School boy. 10 minutes early for school. See, there you go. Ready for workout. Let's go now, man. Leg. We're out here in the studio, left the gym earlier this morning. What are we doing? We're gonna wash up some plate because we're still in a record mode, right? I'm gonna have right there, so. Look how that look good, man. Guess what that is? I get 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guessed it right or you guessed it wrong. We're making some apple pie, you know what I say? But not just any regular apple pie. Some white rum, Jamaica overproof rum. Apple pie, I don't know. Here in Canada, it's Thanksgiving in October. So Monday coming is our Thanksgiving here in Canada. And then the US, UK, I don't know, for Thanksgiving, I go be in November. So we have some apple pie coming out. We have some turkey. I have turkey on the channel already, but we're making more turkey in different flavors. So ensure to subscribe to Mars Time Cooking if you want to stay up to date. Today I'm bringing Raja's birthday too, you know. So we're going to give him a link after I'm done the apple pie and thing. And see what I deal with. And you don't know, you can log in and hail him up and tell him happy birthday. You see, we're out here. See it there now. Work mode. Yeah, so check back in. The other just done work, tired in a way, but I link up Roger right now because I'm birthday. We're going to see if we can play some pool or something. Just do something for your birthday. Can just left work to you know. After the birthday we have to get it, you know, so check back in. Birthday boy, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Good youth?
You know the thing?
Oh, I'm telling you. I want to have fire back seat, man.
That look like
All that man?
Oh my god.
This Raja, you know, on the birthday, you know? Outside, man. Still man look light skin.
Chris Brown.
Oh, yeah, man.
I'm still never kiss the teeth. Fight left.
Damn, look like it's full, bro. Gonna go down at the blue light. So we don't have to see birthday boy, you know. Raja. Oh, yeah, man. Push, man. So yeah, it's not that busy, so we can get to go on the go-kart and everything. But they bring Jamaica come and so. I'm paying, bro. I'm paying. Okay. How many people in there? Hello. Is your go-kart ring open?
We don't have go-kart.
There's no more go-kart here, so I have to go somewhere else. So they out there try to play some pool with Raja.
You're not the only one.
Raja drink 2 juice.
You got to. You're good. You're good.
Where?
You're right there.
So they out there in a place. I try to play some pool, but no spots.
No spots.
Full up. Damn.
Yeah. Right there. Relax yourself.
Yo, you need to call it. Yo, wait, listen, man. Yo, that's not how you play. You're supposed to call which where you put it in the bar. That's how I play, right? You call what pocket you're gonna put it in. You have to call what pocket you're gonna put the ball in. Yeah, that's how I play. You're
Right there.
no, you lose. Oh, yeah, that's how you play?
Yeah.
Once it goes in?
Here. This
Oh,
is
yeah,
going
man.
here.
I told you don't miss.
Almost.
Well, you see what the blood.
What?
That's not how I play, but that's how you play.
Okay.
Oh,
Yo, what you doing?
so we'll get some spinach dip and couple beer. Well, Raja can play. I win 2 already, him win 3. Come in. So update. Raja win by 2, so him go 6, me go 4. And 2 our brethren coming in place. Russia there. And him brother Azik. You out there do the right thing, is it? Yeah, man. These pockets are bouncing out the ball, man. What a youth. Call it a night with the out there, with the crew. We're just going to reason and catch up.
Happy birthday, you know.
Huh? Yeah, man. So Raja's birthday is over now. Raja is 30 years old. Say hi to. So yeah, we're going to head in now after 12. So you know the vibe. Mr. Servita there. We have Roshan in the building.
Wagwan, bro.
Yes, sir. These up, and then we have Hazik in the building taking pictures of the moon.
Yo, look. Jeez.
That's crazy, bro. That phone is clean. What phone is that?
23.
Samsung Galaxy
23 Ultra.
23 Ultra.
Yeah, it's nice.
These phones, they take pictures good, man.
This is nice. Bro, that's
I go head in, I know. I know I have work on money. What?
The next day.
Yeah, so the other big boy there. I got the hospital because he have a meeting to follow up on everything. His mother can't carry Steve because she's sick. And if she's sick, he can't come at the hospital. Just over there. Where are we, buddy? Remember this door, you're not gonna remember it in a Jose. This is the door we came through when you were being born. Now you're back here again, my guy. Yeah. With it out there. Mother can't make it with this one because she's sick. No sick people allowed in the hospital. And he having doctor checkup. So man daddy apart.
As long as you follow the signs, you'll be fine.
Yeah, Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. For the pediatrician, what floor do I find that?
Pediatrician. Well,
Thank you. You ready, Jesse? Okay, let's go.
So I'm
Okay.
just going to do all the questions, clarify how has this guy been ever since we saw him last
Okay.
week, and then she'll come in and we'll assess him together.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Was seen on the on the 27th at 2 a.m. with some difficulty breathing, wheezing, and breathing more with his belly, right?
Yes. Right now he's heavily congested too. There's a lot of mucus on his chest and stuff too.
Like coughing?
He coughs, but there's a lot of mucus. Like when he breathes, you can hear the muffling.
Where's that?
So you know me there saw meds, me and Jazzy there at the hospital. You can only come with one parent, I believe. And if anybody's sick, then can't come with a child. I mean, I say being an entrepreneur is so tough because I wouldn't sleep at work. If you know, you know. But it is so rewarding because if I had a regular job, trust me, what would I do in a case like this? You get me off from? I would have to have big time off, but just take the time off when I need the time off. So it's very difficult being an entrepreneur, but it's also rewarding. And these are the moments where show me that I can be so flexible with my time and my day. And it never come easy. I had to work a regular 9 to 5 for probably 13 years before I got to this point. So I'm grateful to see. So I say moments like these just humble me for show me say, yo, you're able to drop in when mommy can't handle these things. You see me? So my the boss there when I do check up, right? Right? Nurse says a happy baby. Even through a little congestion and thing where I go on. Yes, I check up on him and see if I eat normal. I do the normal things. You know what I say? See me nah, boy, just run up and down and I jump. I grab up the nurse. Nurse saying strong. Strong grip. I don't know my soul 6 months and I sit up. Oh, this boy. So yeah. That is it for now. So log back in, right? Yeah, so log back in. So we just got through. Doctor then so much just watching everything is good. Don't worry about nothing. You have to just go and cough on your own to get out the mucus and thing. You should be fine, you know? Right, Jasmine. You're fine, my boy. Let's go. You drop asleep already, bro? What? You're asleep.
The next day.
I just edit my video and I realized say you never find the vlog, so I add mommy in the vlog.
Oh.
So mommy there.
Morning viewers and everybody. And
Mommy I got experience her first Thanksgiving. You ever experience Thanksgiving in
yeah, America.
America? Her first Canadian Thanksgiving. I decided at the gym, Jazzy there. I go and easy mommy there, I eat all the time.
People don't watch my eyes. I just put something funny for you to take with the knife.
All the time.
Clean potato with chicken.
Oh, you chop up chicken there. Jazzy there and my grandmother kick back. And just quick update on Jazzy. He's doing fine now. The doctor them say just let the congestion pass. You need to cough it up to learn to use up his system, but for the most part he's going to be good, but we just better to be safe than sorry. So that's the full update on him. He good and he up and running. You know what I say? Yeah.
Yes, people. Anybody know on the YouTube like what for when you have eye bags and the black under your eye because I lack of sleep? Could comment and let me Samaris know.
You want some help? You want some help for that? So you want help to know how to get rid of
Eye bag and black spot under your eye. Me watch it on YouTube, them say must use it honey. No, on TikTok they say must use honey, coconut oil, olive oil, and Vaseline. And me use me melt and put it upon. So it kind of look a bit better. But just
Alright, so hopefully somebody can give me some suggestion in the comments, can some help where that is concerned. Try not to get rid of the dark spot and dark eye and everything there, you know?
and the eye bag.
And the eye bag, but that again through your lack sleep. Cause so if you lack sleep you feel.
Because me just can't sleep. I got bed like 12, 1, 2 o'clock.
And then I know because of that Canada. After I did Jamaica that I go. Menopause.
I mean, you sit up pray like 12 o'clock at night when I fight cause.
Oh.
So I reach menopause, man, long time. I mean, wash up me.
Jesus, could this one there? Alright, so I want to help out mommy for the cat in the comment section.
Thank you.
Now who we have so you never dip on the flag neither. So drop him on the flag before we end. How that Mr. Blueberry? Can the man look, man? Can the man look? Yo, take care out of your head, brother. There's eating hot dog and in blueberry and in water. You get you get pancake and something? Or so you get egg. I watch Miss Rachel like? Man get the egg and eat off the egg and something. Come out your face? Come out your face. I eat pancake too? Okay. So yeah, there are a few things I realized when editing this vlog. One, Mommy and Ajar wasn't in the vlog, so I just add them to the vlog. Two, that I wear a lot of black, so sometimes I can't have on the same thing. So I decided to switch it up and put on green this morning. Because my closet full of black. And then the third thing, I need to grow back my hair. Because people say I don't grow back my hair. I'm going to lose a lot of follicles. I must stop cutting down. Enjoy the hair while you can. So, with that said, I'm not cut my hair again. I make it grow back, you see. But the whole purpose of it was to get back my hairline intact, because I saw how badly dug out my hairline was. So with that said, thank you very much for watching yet another vlog. If you do love the vibe, hit subscribe. You see what I say? Until next time, safe travel, panic travel. Go and big up on yourself. Enough love.